I appreciate your interest in a detailed review of the Toyota Airstream 2025. However, after thorough research, it appears that there is no specific vehicle by that exact name. It's possible there might be some confusion or a typographical error. Perhaps you're referring to a collaboration between Toyota and Airstream, or possibly Toyota's advancements in air mobility. To provide you with valuable information, I'll cover both areas: Toyota's involvement in air mobility and Airstream's 2025 model updates, including their compatibility with Toyota vehicles. Toyota's advancements in air mobility. In recent years, Toyota has made significant strides in the field of air mobility, particularly through its partnership with Joby Aviation. Joby is a California-based aerospace company developing electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft aimed at revolutionizing urban transportation. These aircraft are designed to alleviate ground traffic congestion by offering a fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly alternative. In October 2024, Toyota announced an additional $500 million investment in Joby Aviation, bringing its total investment to $894 million since 2018. This substantial financial commitment underscores Toyota's confidence in the future of aerial ride-sharing services. The investment is structured in two $250 million tranches, with the first completed in 2024 and the second scheduled for 2025. Beyond financial support, Toyota has established a manufacturing alliance with Joby, leveraging its extensive expertise in mass production to aid in the commercial rollout of Joby's eVTOL aircraft. Joby's aircraft is an all-electric, 5-seat vehicle capable of vertical takeoff and landing. It boasts a top speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 150 miles on a single battery charge. Notably, the aircraft operates at a noise level 100 times quieter than conventional planes, making it suitable for urban environments. Joby has conducted over 30,000 miles of test flights and aims to commence commercial passenger services in cities like New York and Los Angeles by 2025. This initiative aligns with Toyota's broader strategy to explore diverse transportation technologies, including electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel cells, and now, urban air mobility solutions. Airstream's 2025 model year updates. Airstream, renowned for its iconic, Silver Bullet, travel trailers, has unveiled its 2025 model year updates, focusing on enhanced off-grid capabilities, technological advancements, and refreshed interior designs. One of the standout additions is the new Tradewind 23FB travel trailer. This 23-foot model is engineered for adventurers seeking off-grid experiences without compromising comfort. It features an impressive 810 Ah battery bank, comprising 3 chassis-integrated 270 Ah heated battle-borne lithium batteries. This setup offers over 4 times the battery capacity of most other Airstream models, enabling extended stays in remote locations without relying on traditional campground hookups. The trailer is also equipped with a 3000W inverter and charger system, capable of powering appliances like the convection microwave and the 13,500 BTU air conditioner simultaneously. Additionally, a 500-watt solar input, monitored via an app-compatible Victron display, ensures efficient energy harvesting during off-grid adventures. The flagship Classic line receives notable technological enhancements for 2025. Both the 30RB and 33FB floor plans now come equipped with My Airstream, a connected vehicle platform that builds upon Airstream's previous smart control system. My Airstream offers control and monitoring functions and enriches the travel experience by integrating location services in a mobile app. Through a partnership with RoadPass Digital, users can access over 40,000 camping-related points of interest, including public and private campgrounds, dump stations, and RV-friendly overnight parking. The system also provides easy access to Airstream dealers and model-specific support and maintenance resources. In terms of interior aesthetics, the Caravelle lineup has undergone a decor refresh inspired by contemporary tone-on-tone design trends. The new pebble and driftwood decor packages blend elegant earth tones with inviting textures, creating a refined yet durable interior environment. These updates ensure that the Caravelle models remain both stylish and practical, catering to travelers who value both form and function. Compatibility between Toyota vehicles and Airstream trailers. For enthusiasts interested in pairing Airstream trailers with Toyota vehicles, it's essential to consider towing capacities and vehicle specifications to ensure a safe and efficient match. Toyota offers several models suitable for towing various Airstream trailers. Toyota Sequoia. This full-size SUV is known for its robust towing capabilities. In a practical demonstration, a 2023 Toyota Sequoia Limited successfully towed an Airstream trailer, showcasing its power and stability. The Sequoia's spacious interior and advanced towing features make it a popular choice among Airstream owners. Toyota Tacoma. The midsize Tacoma pickup truck offers versatility and sufficient towing capacity for smaller Airstream models, such as the Basecamp. The Basecamp is designed for adventurers seeking a compact yet capable trailer, and the Tacoma provides the necessary power to tow it comfortably. When selecting a tow vehicle, it's crucial to assess factors such as towing capacity, payload, and compatibility with the specific Airstream model. Ensuring that the vehicle's towing specifications align with the trailer's weight and dimensions is vital for safety and performance. Additionally, considering the number of passengers, cargo, and typical travel terrain will help in choosing the most suitable vehicle-trailer combination. Conclusion. While there isn't a specific Toyota Airstream 2025 vehicle, the collaboration between Toyota and Airstream, as well as Toyota's ventures into air mobility, reflect both companies' commitment to innovation and enhancing the travel experience. Toyota's investment in Joby Aviation signifies a bold step toward transforming urban transportation through electric air taxis. Simultaneously, Airstream's 2025 model year updates demonstrate a dedication to providing travelers with modern, off-grid capable trailers that blend luxury with practicality. For those interested in combining the reliability of Toyota vehicles with the timeless appeal of Airstream trailers, understanding the compatibility and ensuring proper vehicle selection will pave the way for memorable and safe adventures. As both companies continue to push the boundaries of their respective industries, consumers can look forward to a future where travel, whether on the road or in the air, is more efficient, enjoyable, and sustainable.